Hey there, students. My name is Mr. Holm, and this is Understanding Symmetry. The purpose of our lesson today is to show what symmetry is and to show you how you can draw your own line of symmetry. So, what is symmetry? Before we ask that question, I want to ask you, if I draw a line right here, what can you tell me about this side of the butterfly when you compare it to this side of the butterfly? You guys know this. They're the same. That's symmetry. So the definition of symmetry is when a figure can be divided into two sides that are the same. Things all around us in our world can be symmetrical. Like this apple is symmetrical. And a lot of buildings are symmetrical in the way that they're designed. Same on both sides. And the human body is also symmetrical, because on each side you have an eye, an ear, hands, arms, legs, feet. Two-D images or shapes in geometry can also be symmetrical, like the circle. Draw a line here, and both sides will be the same. Or this rectangle, or this square. What's pretty neat about these shapes in particular, though, is we can draw lines in other places so that both sides are the same. That leads us into our next idea about lines of symmetry. Some shapes have multiple lines of symmetry. This means that you can draw lines in several places, like we did on the last slide, so that a shape is divided into two sides that mirror each other. Like this hexagon has 1, 2, 3, 4, at least 4 lines of symmetry. This rhombus also has multiple lines of symmetry. However, the last shape here is a trapezoid, and it certainly has one line of symmetry. You can fold it in half there and have both of the sides be the same. But any other line that you try to draw doesn't work. So, trapezoid only has one line of symmetry. The line of symmetry, which can also be called the axis of symmetry, is the line that can be drawn to separate two sides that mirror each other. So, what you should ask yourself when trying to figure out if a figure is symmetrical is, can I draw a line in which separates the figure into two sides that are the same? And if you say yes, then that figure is symmetrical. In this lesson, we have covered what symmetry is. Hopefully, we have recognized a few different symmetrical figures, and we have looked at drawing our own lines of symmetry. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.